If you're considering SocialPilot for managing your social media accounts and analyzing performance, there are 12 key things you need to know before making the purchase. SocialPilot claims to be a solid contender in the crowded social media management software space, but how does it really compare to alternatives like Hootsuite or Buffer? Let's break down what makes SocialPilot stand out and where it might fall short. The first thing to consider is SocialPilot's price point. It's competitively priced, starting much lower than many of its competitors, which could be appealing if you're on a budget. But as always, cheaper doesn't necessarily mean better, so it's important to evaluate whether the features justify the price. Next thing to know is its ease of use. SocialPilot is known for its straightforward interface. It's designed for businesses that need a user-friendly platform without too much of a learning curve. However, when compared to tools like Buffer, it's clear that SocialPilot is less sleek in design, and that may matter if you prioritize aesthetic and seamless navigation. The third thing worth noting is SocialPilot's scheduling capabilities. It offers bulk scheduling, which allows you to upload and schedule multiple posts at once. This is a great feature if you're managing multiple accounts, but other platforms like Hootsuite take it a step further with more advanced options for automating posts. The fourth thing you need to know is about analytics. SocialPilot provides decent reporting, especially for basic insights, but if you're looking for in-depth analytics or more customization, you might find the reports a bit limiting compared to competitors like Sprout Social, which has more robust reporting features. The fifth thing to keep in mind is customer support. While SocialPilot does offer 24/7 support, there are mixed reviews about the quality and speed of their service. This can be a critical issue if you need quick help during a campaign. In comparison, Hootsuite tends to receive better feedback when it comes to customer service. The sixth thing is the variety of social networks it supports. SocialPilot supports a wide range of platforms, from Facebook to Pinterest, but when it comes to new and niche social platforms, it doesn't offer quite the same breadth of integration that Hootsuite or Buffer provide. Next thing to think about is collaboration features. SocialPilot allows you to invite team members, which is perfect for businesses with multiple users. However, compared to alternatives like Sprout Social, its team collaboration features are a bit limited, particularly when it comes to user permissions. The eighth thing to note is content curation. SocialPilot allows you to share content from RSS feeds, but it doesn't offer the same level of content discovery tools as some of its competitors. If content curation is a major part of your social media strategy, tools like BuzzSumo might be more suited to your needs. The ninth thing is about mobile apps. SocialPilot's mobile app is decent for managing your social media on the go, but it lacks some of the polish and functionality found in other apps, like Buffers, which tends to be smoother and more intuitive. The 10th thing to know is the posting limits. SocialPilot's plan limits the number of posts you can schedule per day, and while it's usually enough for smaller businesses, larger companies or agencies may feel constrained by these limits. Tools like Hootsuite offer more flexibility when it comes to posting volume. The 11th thing to consider is security. SocialPilot offers two-factor authentication for added security, which is a plus, but again, this is something that many competitors like Sprout Social and Hootsuite have been offering for years. So, while it's nice to have, it's not exactly revolutionary. The 12th and final thing to be aware of is the integrations. SocialPilot does a good job of connecting with essential platforms, but for more complex workflows, the integration options are somewhat limited. For instance, platforms like Hootsuite allow for more integrations with third-party apps, which may be essential for larger companies. To sum up, SocialPilot offers solid functionality, particularly for small businesses and those who need basic social media management and scheduling at a lower cost. However, if you're looking for more advanced analytics, better reporting, or a more intuitive experience, you might want to explore some alternatives. If you're ready to give a better solution a try, check out our recommended option, which you can test for free today.